Okay, guys, I'm gonna play another song from Phineas and Ferb. It's called Backyard Beach. Give me a second.
Hell Queen, what he needs? I can't believe it.
Listen up, people in the beach, Got Phineas and Ferb in a backyard beach, Every morning Phineas he gonna say, brother, what you gonna do today? Now you see we're having fun playing under the sun and getting nine, cause the West keeps running. A backyard beach, nothing's out of reach. We got the backyard beach. You can change in the coconut, drink out of a coconut, drinking for a token, but the rest is free. You got me and Sarah sailing, surfing in the trailing. You got to keep sailing, the rest you can't see. Got the backyard beach, a backyard beach. Nothing's out of reach. We got the backyard beach, got the backyard beach, a backyard beach. Don't fall into the breach. Got the backyard beach.
And that's pretty much it. But you can still go into my favorites and check it out.